Hi guys, clean my favorite room with me. So after the 2 weeks holiday, I came back and noticed that my room is all dusty. The funny thing about this whole thing is that no matter how you lock your door and windows, no matter how tight you lock them and everything, dust will definitely find its way to the room. So I started by removing my bedspread and my duvet and dusting the bed so I can change to a brand new bedspread. In fact, whenever I leave my house or travel to anywhere, the first thing I do when I return is to change my bedspread. Like I love my bedspread to be fresh and neat. Like oh, so after um making my bed, then I have to arrange it with my duvet, my black duvet, because I love the combo white and black. Then I have to place my pillow and my throw pillows. I love these throw pillows a lot because they help me to, cuddle based on single ladies things, now. So after that, I now decided to dust my TV. After dusting my TV, I dusted the TV stand, my decor, my watches, my laptop, and one or two things. Hey, to be a wife material is not a day job. Oh boy. Imagine me not being a wife material by now. Should I be relaxing and probably arrange someone to come and do the cleaning for me? But because I want to prove that I'm a wife material, so I have to do it myself. In fact, I mostly love to do things myself. I arrange my small bedside fridge, then dust my bed. So this is me um sweeping my room. I love sweeping my room with this brush because it also helps to clean the room and make it look neat and the way I want it. So after cleaning the room, the next thing I did was to get my mop stick and my water. Then I have to mop the room, mop it to my satisfaction. After mopping this room, the room was now sparkling and glowing. I was so happy that I did this, and it gives me one kind of joy anytime I clean my room to my satisfaction. I have this special joy in me. After cleaning the room, the next thing I did was to arrange my luxury rug. Oh Jesus, this my luxury center rug is so dope. So after arranging the rug, oh Lord, my room was given this royal feel. I see the view now. So as a wife material that I am, and a very strong one at that, I have to raise the bed in order to arrange it so well. In fact, I love perfection to some extent. So after arranging everything, the room was giving me this sweet, cozy feel that I felt so happy doing this. So guys, this is the final look. Guys, this is the final look. Oh God, I so much love this final look. So guys, tell me, how can you dream bad dream in this kind of room? There is no way, even if your village people strong, there is no way you can dream bad dream in this room. Thank you guys so much for hanging in. You all are simply amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, and have a lovely evening, y'all. Bye. Ciao.